Hello and thank you for joining us today. My name is Nico, and in this video I'll be showing you the Tutima M2 Coastline Automatic, reference 6150-08. The case is solid brushed titanium with a diameter of 43 millimeters and a case height of 12.9 millimeters. The bracelet is also solid brushed titanium and features a folding clasp. The dial is green, but is not solid green. At the center of the dial, the shade of green is lighter, and as you move out towards the tension ring, the shade of green is darker. The indices on the dial are superluminova coated. As for the functionality of the watch, you have your hour hand, minute hand, sweep seconds, day and date function at the 3 o'clock position. The day function can be set to either English or German. At the front of the watch, you have your sapphire crystal. At the side, you have your screw-in crown. And at the back, you have your screw-in case back. This watch is powered by the caliber Tutima 330 movement, which has a power reserve of 38 hours when fully wound. This watch has been pressure tested to 30 bar, so feel free to take this watch on some light dives. Thank you for joining us in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and be sure to visit your local Tutima dealer to see this watch in person.